Hello viewers, in this video I'm gonna talk about Picsart application, that how we can use Picsart application for YouTube thumbnail making and for other photo editings as well. So let's get started. So we'll go into the Picsart application. You can do a favor for me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and select all. That will be a good sport for me from your side, because I bring interesting videos daily. So this is what the interface of this application Picsart, and we'll go to this plus sign here, this icon. We'll click on it. Very first thing we need to do here is to select a background picture, or from here or from our gallery. We can select from our gallery as well. Here we can see the gallery videos and these pictures are showing up here. We can select from our gallery, or here are some ready-made backgrounds available. For example, if I select this white, add on it. We now, what we are gonna do is, if we are making a thumbnail for YouTube, we need to go this tool options and we'll select this crop option, and we'll select that size. Here we'll go and there's an option of YouTube, so we select this option. It is according to YouTube thumbnail this size. So now what we are gonna do is that what is there in our video for what we are making a thumbnail. If we want to add some text, here's the text option. We can write down anything like a difference between live and current location. It's already here, so I'm not gonna tap anything. Just click. Here's the color option. I can choose a color, white, red, black, and here's the gradient option. We can choose a mixture of two colors, like any any of two colors. Next is the option of texture. Here we have some textures already, and we can choose any texture. Like I choose this one. Has a stroke option. From this option we can give a stroke like like this one, and also the option of capacity. We can increase or decrease the capacity of the text. And the very next option, we can add a picture. Here's the add picture. We can we'll put it here on the corner. And now second thing, we can add up any picture from our gallery. We choose like this is this picture, and we can put it anywhere. I'm just telling you the options. You can make your thumbnail according to your video. So here's a crop option. You can also crop that picture. You can take as much as you want for your thumbnail. Then we'll go again plus icon, and here's the best option in this application that I love is the sticker. Here you have thousands and thousands of stickers. You can search here for anything, like for Facebook. I search here. If my video is about Facebook, I will tap just Facebook here, and this application will give me thousands of stickers about Facebook. I wanna add this sticker, so I will just select on it, and I can add this sticker anywhere. So another thing here, we have a call out option. That's also a good option. Like there are different sort of types of call outs here. We can select anything, and we can also write anything in it. Okay, so, and we can put it anywhere. So this is the best application for YouTube thumbnail making. I personally make my thumbnails on this application. Here's the lens flare option. You can select any, like this one, and you can increase or decrease it. That's also a wonderful option. I love it. so on text, on picture, anywhere. So after making the video, we'll go here on the cross button, and then we'll click that button again. It will be, here's the save option. We just tap on it, and here's save picture on your device, and we'll save this on our device. It's saying that saved to gallery. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do me a favor, I'm saying once again, by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.